In this video, you will learn how to create a simple cut using EBA's Encore Alcohol Activated palette. Before we begin, you will need to learn how to control opacity. For a translucent effect, use more activator than pigment and lightly dip the brush into the palette. For more opaque effects, use less activator. Step 1. Activate the palette using the included activator. Step 2. Start by drawing a light outline using the detailed brush. Continue on the same outline, using more opacity to define the design. Tip: use more activator as needed. You can blend colors on the lid of the palette or directly on the skin. Avoid wetting the brush too much in order to not lift the previous color. Switch to the stipple brush and stipple the makeup in light layers. Unless blending colors on the skin, allow makeup to dry between layers. For removal instructions, storage, and warnings, please refer to product packaging or the EBA website.